statements are given in this question. We have to provide the reasons for the given statements. In the first statement, it is given shaving soaps contains glycerol. Exactly, because many shaving soaps contains glycerol or glycerin, which helps to moisturize the skin and create a smooth lubricating lather. This makes the shaving process more comfortable and helps to protect the skin from irritation. And in the second statement, it is given antacid should not be used for a longer time. This is again a correct statement because long-term use of antacids can have some potential risk and side effects. Antacids are generally intended for short-term relief of symptoms such as heartburn or indigestion. The prolonged use can lead to electrolytic imbalance, that is, excessive use of certain antacids, especially those containing magnesium or calcium, can affect the electrolytic balance. The second issue is kidney issues. Overuse of antacid containing calcium or aluminium can strain the kidney. And the third one is nutrient absorption. Antacids can interfere with the absorption of essential nutrients like calcium, magnesium, and vitamin B12. And another one we can say altered stomach pH. Prolonged use can disrupt the normal acid-base balance in the stomach, potentially affecting the digestion and increasing the risk of gastrointestinal infections. So these are the reasons for the given two statements. For the first one you will get 1 mark and for the second one another 1 mark. So you will get total 2 marks for this question.